Good morning everyone, I am Vishakha. Welcome to 3.0 TV. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-round update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segment, including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity and several other related issues. Keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3, including to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies gain ignoring fears of aggressive Fed rate hikes. Failed crypto lender Voyager Digital to resume cash withdrawals from next week. Coinbase faces 2 lawsuits for hiding information amid SEC probe. DogeCoin unveils another major release. Neobank Revolut to increase crypto workforce by 20%. Netflix builds Grey Man Metaverse experience in Decentraland. Slope Wallet says it will pay 10% bounty if attacker returns stolen funds. North Korea's Lazarus hackers blamed in DBridge finance cyberattack. Cryptocurrencies continued their gains after a brief dip following robust US jobs data, which strengthened apprehensions of renewed Federal Reserve aggressive rate hikes, decoupling from the linkages formed with stocks. US stocks ended lower with S&P 500 declining 0.2%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite fell 0.5%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finished 0.2% higher. The US labor market added 528,000 jobs in July, beating analysts' estimate of a 258,000 increase. The unemployment rate ticked down 3.5% below the 3.6% estimate. Wage growth also rose more than estimated, up 0.5% for the month and 5.2% higher than a year ago, signaling that high inflation is likely still a problem. Analysts expected job growth to slow, but the aggressive job additions meant that the Federal Reserve may act more aggressively at its next meeting to tame inflation. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $23,230, up over 1.4% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded at around $1,730, up over 4% in a similar time span. Bankrupt crypto lender Voyager Digital Friday said that it would allow customers to withdraw their deposits up to a maximum limit of $270 million in fiat currency starting August 11. The move follows the bankruptcy court approval to allow customers to withdraw funds kept with Metropolitan Commercial Bank. Voyager said it could take 5 to 10 days to process return requests. Listed cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase is facing 2 more lawsuits amid ongoing investigations by United States Securities and Exchanges Commission. Braga Eagle and Sequoia, a law firm based in New York, and are suing the San Francisco-based crypto exchange and seeking compensation for making fraudulent and deceptive representations regarding the company's business, operations and compliance efforts between April 14, 2021 and July 26, 2022. According to the complaints, Coinbase neglected to disclose that client cryptocurrency was kept in escrow at Coinbase, and in the event of any bankruptcy proceedings, customers would be treated as general unsecured creditors of the company. DogeCoin Foundation's key developer, Mickey Lohman, disclosed that the meme coin will release libdotcoin, a C library of building blocks that allows anyone to build a Dogecoin-compliant product. The integration is part of DogeCoin Foundation's primary focus on utility and increasing the community's capacity for innovation. According to the DogeCoin Foundation's libdotcoin trail map, the Dogecoin co-wallet is now limited by features that slow down development and are thus better separated into utilities. Revolut Limited, a British financial technology company that offers banking services, plans to increase its crypto workforce by 20% over the next 6 months by hiring across Europe, the United Kingdom, and the United States. The London-based company has posted job listings for 13 crypto-related professions, including compliance and financial prevention, software engineering, and legal affairs. Crypto currently accounts for around 5% to 10% of Revolut's global revenue and is unfazed by the recent industry downturn. Streaming giant Netflix has touched down in the Decentraland Metaverse. The purpose is twofold: promote its new action movie The Grey Man, featuring Ryan Gosling, Chris Evans and Dhanush, and explore new interactive ways that a brand can connect with fans virtually. The film is a spy thriller, and Netflix's 45-parcel Decentraland activation is aptly considered a metaverse mission. The Decentraland recreated a landscape from the movie, a labyrinth that users must navigate by proving their knowledge about the movie's plot along the way. Slope Wallet, the Solana wallet platform exploited earlier this week for roughly $5 million, has announced that it will pay a 10% bounty worth around $450,000 if the attacker returns the stolen funds. In a tweet posted Friday afternoon, the Slope team posted a Solana address and appealed to the thief with an added incentive. Upon receipt of these funds, we will not make additional efforts to investigate this matter or pursue any legal action. The team gave the attacker a 48-hour window to return the funds and receive the bounty. It added that it has been working with law enforcement and TRM Labs, a leading blockchain intelligence firm, to retrieve the stolen funds. The victim of an email-based cyber attack cross-chain protocol DBridge Finance says its investigation shows the action likely came from the North Korea-associated Lazarus group. The attack took the form of an email address spoofing that of the DBridge co-founder Alex Smirnov. Though most employees reported the suspicious email, one downloaded and opened the associated file. The company's probe of the hack shows a similar attack vector to those noticed in other cyber attacks by North Korea's Lazarus group. That's all in the news today. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. And for more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV.